अस्सलाम वालेकुम एवरीवन। आई होप एवरीवन विल फाइन। आज का हमारा टॉपिक ऑफ डिस्कशन है वो है इंग्लिश एमसीक्यूज के बारे में। लेट्स बिगिन। विच सेंटेंस इज करेक्ट? Which sentence is correct? A. She will go to school yesterday. B. She will gone to school yesterday. C. She will going to school yesterday. D. She will go to school tomorrow. Which one is the correct option? The correct option is D. She will go to school tomorrow. Next जो हमारे साथ है वो है he dash his homework now. A. Does. B. Did. C. Is doing. D. Has done. Which one is the correct option in these four? He dash his homework now. The correct option is C. He is doing his homework now. C is the correct option. Next जो हमारे साथ है वो है which sentence is in the present perfect tense? A. I study English every day. B. I have studied English for 3 years. C. I studied English yesterday. D. I was studying English. Which one is the correct option in these four? That mean which sentence is in the present perfect tense? So the correct option is B. I have studied English for 3 years. B sentence is in the present perfect tense. I have studied English for 3 years. Next MCQs we have, that is which of the following is in the past perfect tense? A. He has finished the work. B. He had finished the work. C. He finished the work. D. He is finishing the work. Which one is the correct option in these four? You can think about that which sentence belong to past perfect tense. Which sentence is in the past perfect tense? So the correct option is B. He had finished the work. He had finished the work. Is a helping verb that we use in past perfect tense. Plus V third, that means third form of verb. Next MCQs we have, that is fill in the blank. By the time we arrived, they dashed the meeting. A. Finisher. B. Finisher. C. Had finished. D. Will finish. Which one is the correct option in these four? The sentence belong to past perfect tense. So the correct option is C. By the time we arrived, they had finished the meeting. C is the correct option. Had finished. Next option we have, that is identify the correct usage of the past continuous tense. A. She was reading a book at 5 p.m. yesterday. B. She reads a book at 5 p.m. yesterday. C. She is reading a book at 5 p.m. yesterday. D. She has read a book at 5 p.m. yesterday. Which one is the correct option in these four? You can think about it. Which sentence is in the past continuous tense, or which is the correct usage of the past continuous tense. So the correct option is A. She was reading a book at 5 p.m. yesterday. So the correct option is A. She was reading a book at 5 p.m. yesterday. Next option we have, that is choose the correct option for future tense. A. I will play the guitar. B. I will play the guitar. C. I play the guitar. D. I played the guitar. Which one is the correct option in these four? The correct option is B. I will play the guitar. B is the correct option. I will play the guitar. Next MCQs we have, that is choose the correct form of the verb. I dash a book when you called. I dash a book when you called. A. Read. B. Was reading. C. Reads. D. Have read. Which one is the correct option? And these four, there are four options. You can choose one of them correct option. So the correct option is B. I was reading a book when you called. So the correct option is B, was reading. Next MCQs we have, that is which of the following is the correct use of will for a future decision? A. I will going to the store. B. I will went to the store. C. I'll go to the store. D. I will goes to the store. Which one is the correct option? And these four, you can choose one of them correct option. That means which of the following is the correct use of will for future decision? So the correct option is C. I will go to the store. C is the correct option. Next option we have, that is which sentence uses a future perfect tense correctly? A. She will have finished the project by tomorrow. B. She will finish the project by tomorrow. C. She finishes the project by tomorrow. She is finishing the project by tomorrow. Which one is the correct option? And these four, the mean of the sentence is that which sentence uses a future perfect tense correctly? So the correct option is A. She will have finished the project by tomorrow. A is the correct option. She will have finished the project by tomorrow.